Alright, so today we're reviewing arguably one of the fastest players in the NBA today, De'Aaron Fox. This is from 2017. So this basic black and silver kind of look looks nice actually, because I like how the way that the player kind of bounces more with that silver look versus, like, let's say you have like a black look like that. You can really tell the difference with the player popping out. Like Tyler kind of just blends in. Fox, really solid detail all across. Definitely looks like De'Aaron Fox. And I love the purple jersey. That's kind of what drew me to the PSA 10 there, was the jersey. So overall, a really cool rookie card. Has all his stats on the back too, from Kentucky. I mainly only do rookie cards just because I think that's the most valuable way to build a collection. And so De'Aaron Fox is one of those guys that I really like his future in the NBA. So I decided to go grab this perfect condition PSA 10 De'Aaron Fox Prism. So there you have it.